Hello, welcome to Bullish Bear FX, your price action channel. In my previous video, I taught you how to identify major support and resistance zones. Now today, I'll be taking you straight to the main chart that we might be able to identify those zones and how to take trades on them. If this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor? Smash the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss out a single thing. So let us identify major supports and major resistance. So I would draw out one support here. I would draw out another resistance here. I would bring out another here. Okay, so already I have identified my major zones in the market. Trying to look clearly to see if I can find any other major support or major resistance. I can decide to place one more just here. And looking clearly, I can't find any other for now. Alright, I have just identified this zone as a zone that pushed the markets massively. So this is my first support. And I identified this resistance as a zone that pushed markets massively. This is a higher time frame, so that is why this zone is identified as a zone that pushed markets massively to the downside. I also identified here as a zone that pushed markets deeply down. Now I identified here as a zone where price came to rested and the bulls pushed market bullish to the upside. Then I identified here as a major zone that pushed markets really deep. Okay, so now that we have identified our major support and resistance, all we want to do is to wait for the future move. Now let's see how price would play out in the future. Now we can see when the bulls pushed back up and price was gradually coming up, they got resisted at this major previously support zone. This is what we call a support zone turning resistance in the markets. So the market was rejected and it fell down back to previous supports, which we have a previous supports here in the past. So this previous resistance now has automatically at the future turned into support. Now the bulls pushed back up and price began creating a range around between this resistance and this support. But let's see how price kept on playing out. Now we could see what happened. That the bulls the bears rejected here and they pushed down even with full force onto the previous support we had in the past. Now look at that support. That's the zone that I marked out here. And now that resistance has turned support for the future. So when they rejected straight down there, the bulls pushed back with full force and boom, we can see that this area was rejected massively. Why? Because it was a major resistance even in the past.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.
And let's take one more example if we have one more. Okay. And when it got rejected, it fell straight down back to this support, which was previously resistant here. So can you see how the market respects even your major supports and your major resistances? So this is an easy way for you to identify major supports and major resistance zones. If you really love what I taught you and you want me to always make more videos like this, let me know if you have any question. Use the comment section. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more. For the meantime, stay safe and keep winning.
Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.